Christy Morgan, that's her name, okay? In this video, you gonna see me set up a whole photo backdrop, you know what I'm saying? Or a backdrop in general, you know? So follow me on a little journey and everything. Sorry if I'm looking at a hot mess, okay? I was gonna take my hair down for y'all, but then I'm like, ooh. My female, so y'all understand the struggle. I really didn't feel like doing all that. So at least I took it out the rollers and put it up in the bun. Give me some type of credit. And I got my little sweats on and everything. So, yeah. Anyway, so all of this stuff you can find on Amazon. Just to let y'all know. And I'm going to link it down below, okay? And I'm going to put, because it's going to take you to a link where everything is like together. Can y'all see me? Oh, girl, you can see my butt and everything. Oh. But yeah, so let me move this back. What I'm using is this cute little sheer curtain that I really haven't not been using, and I just got it out the window from the back room that basically is my office and whatever. But I'm redoing my office, their room back there, so it don't even matter. So yeah, girl, save your coins, okay? So that's why I just got one little sheer little curtain that I do not use at all, and I'm gonna create my backdrop with that. Of Amazon, and it comes in like different colors, I believe. So yeah, so I was trying to experiment with this because I was gonna do use these on like some stair little railing or whatever, but I didn't like it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be creative and I'm gonna just decorate the little backdrop with this. So yeah, it's just wrap these little thingamajigs. And you just have to work with it, to be honest, because it's not going to be perfect. And you just figure out what type of look you want to go with, basically. photo shoot time. Photo shoot time. Oh, and I gotta finish setting up like some lights too. So I got my little softbox little lights right here. And girl, if you want me to tell you where I got this from, Amazon, and it was not expensive, I promise you. And I will link this in the description box below as well. I have these lights that I got from Home Depot. And I'ma just put them on the floor, y'all. And plug it up. And this is just gonna give a little pop. Okay, y'all, so that right there is the finished look. Oh my Lord. Girl, I'm in love, look at me. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this cute little DIY photo backdrop or DIY backdrop for a birthday party, baby shower, wedding, bridal shower, whatever, girl, whatever. Yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy. I had to take them earrings off because it was irritating. But, yeah, so I promise I'm going to have more videos coming that's like DIY videos. I have another, DIY little photo backdrop coming as well. I mean, not photo backdrop, but DIY backdrop. Another one. So, yeah. But like I told y'all, I'm just showing y'all what I do as interior designer, interior decorator. Might as well call myself event planner too. And designer and decorator. Because, girl, people been calling me, trying to get me to do stuff. Anywho. But yeah, so I cannot wait to show you like more videos that I have and ideas and stuff. So yeah, but thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time, boo. Mwah.